Hey guys, I want to show you how to prepare the ricotta cheese for use on our Ciccabella pizza. Now, ricotta is actually a byproduct of making mozzarella cheese. So you start with milk, and then the milk gets separated into whey, which is very much, it's like a bluish, grayish water, and then the curd. And the curd is then turned into mozzarella cheese. So that's what it means when you always see that old nursery rhyme separating the milk into the curds and whey. It separates into a very liquidy component and a much more solid component, and the solid component is what becomes cheese. Then what they do is they take the whey and they boil it again. They essentially recook it, and that's where they get the name ricotta. It means recooked, ricotta, recooked. Once they cook it up to a higher temperature, tiny little flecks of more cheese form in it, little tiny curds, and those are strained out to form ricotta cheese. However, we want to add some of the whey back because the way it's shipped to us is just a little bit too thick. Once we put it on the pizza, if it is too thick, it's just going to burn. So all we're going to do is reconstitute it. So we go ahead and we plop this in. And the best whey that we have, the highest quality whey, is the one that we get from the buffalo cheese. It actually runs off the cheese itself. So we've cut this cheese. This is the buffalo cheese we've cut for our service. And once we cut it, it's got a little straining board at the bottom. The whey has been sinking to the bottom. And you can see that this is very white and milky. This is the best whey that we have. So we'll start with that whey. This other container of whey is the water that this was packed in. So this is buffalo whey. This just comes packed in a big sort of bucket of this. So we can use this if we need it. But we start with this first. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to break it up. And we're going to put this in a squeeze bottle. So I just want to get it to just the right consistency so that I can get it into a squeeze bottle. A little bit more. Not too much, just a little bit more. I'm going to mix it up. And I'm really just looking for that right consistency. A little more. Just a little more. And that's about it. All I do now is put this in a little scoop. Then I can pour it right into a squeeze bottle. See that consistency? That's exactly what we're looking for. Not too loose and watery, but certainly not as thick as it was when it started. And that's it. This gets topped. Then when it comes time to put on the pizza, just grab a plate. We can just take it right out of the squeeze bottle and just dollop it right on the pie. And that's it.